Just like to us yung journey natin na paano tayo napunta sa Touch World Cup. Yung tatlong teams, ano yung sinalihan yung tournament, paano tayo nag-qualify, saka ano yung expectation ng tatlong team.
So to qualify for the Touch World Cup, so walang kailangan pagdaan ng qualifying games. So all interested nations that want to enter into the Touch World Cup, kailangan lang mag-submit ng kanilang interest to join. So in the Philippines, we officially started our campaign for the Touch World Cup 2024 back in 2022. So doon officially nag-start yung training natin at yung selection process natin to get into the team. So ngayon nga, we're vying for the most number of teams that we have ever had entered into the Touch World Cup so far. So we have 3 teams, yung men's open team, women's open team, at yung mixed open team. Yung men's and women's open teams, we are largely based here in the Philippines, so locally based yung trainings natin at yung development efforts natin to make sure na yung mga grassroots players natin ay merong katampatang pagkakataon to try and develop their skills and to get into the team at ma-expose sa high-level competition. So, as mentioned by Cholo, yung Touch World Cup, it's the highest level of touch you can play across the globe. So, it's really such a great privilege to be selected na makalaro dito sa Touch World Cup. And we also have a mixed team na, as mentioned earlier, ay based largely in Australia. So ito yung na-expect natin na dahil mas develop yung sport in Australia na maaaring mas mataas yung level of play na ipapakita nila coming into the World Cup. But again, ang focus natin lagi dito ay development and to make sure that everyone ay may sapat na opportunity na ipakita kung kaya nila at the world stage. And as we know, England, hindi siya malapit. It's not an easy feat na makarating ng England. So as much as we value yung volunteerism ng players natin, coaches, referees, officials, and everyone that's part of the journey going into the World Cup, as our resources are scarce, so maganda rin po talaga na makalap natin lahat ng klase ng suporta at tulong na makukuha natin going into
Yung sports nyo, talagang, kumbaga sa atin dito sa basketball, sa Australia, ito yung kanilang pinaka-popular, no? Pinapanood kasi dun sa games nila. Punong-puno yung stadium at parang football stadium, punong-puno yun, no? And kayo pupunta kayo doon, tapos makakalaban niyo yung mga teams na nandoon ngayon. Paano nyo ngayon, sa loob yun, nakalaro rin, pero yung experience nyo ngayon rin, nalalaro ngayon doon. Paano nyo ngayon malalakasin yung team ninyo na medyo maka-angat tayo dun sa last placing natin?
Yung in terms of placing, again, siguro maganda rin pong balikan natin yung context nga nung kung bakit tayo sumasali. So in terms of why it is a developmental team, we are trying to establish that pathway that people who will be starting this sport can join its highest level. Na kaya nating marating yung World Cup even from the grassroots program na sinisimulan po namin. As you've heard when they introduced themselves, some of our players that are present here started their journey only in 2022. So, again, in terms of placing, baka hindi po natin mabit yung placing na meron before. But what we are investing in is the World Cup beyond the upcoming World Cup.
So yung journey natin, it doesn't end when the World Cup ends. So yung ultimate goal natin ay pagkatapos ng World Cup ay yung mga players natin, yung coaches natin, yung officials natin ay makapag-give back sa kanilang mga community, makapag-bahagi ng kanilang experiences at natutunan sa kanilang clubs, kanilang teams, kanilang schools, and hopefully through that effort, tuloy-tuloy na mas-spread yung sports kasi yung sport na touch football, kasi as we know, representation is really important. The more people na we get na makapaglaro at a high level, the more likely na may bababa nila lahat ng matututunan natin at mapapalaganap din yung quality ng ilalaro natin dito sa Philippines once we have enough exposure internationally.
Looking forward, no, kasi yung sports na to, parang yung laro natin ng mga bata pa tayo, yung touch taya, no? Kaya lang, naiba lang dito, meron silang bola na kailangan nilang ilabag pag natatouch, tapos lalampasan mo para maipasa mo dun sa kakampi mo. Wala ba kayong balak na ituro ito sa DepEd para maisama sa palaro or sa Batang Pinoy or maisama kayo sa Philippine National Games para sa grassroots development natin, makahanap tayo ng mga bagong bata. Dati sa Clark, pinapanood ko yun, yung sinama nila ako isang beses na touch rugby, yung Volcanoes ang naglaro. Yan lang, mas mataas na level yung ano. Sa inyo ba, anong plano nyo? Ano yung program nyo sa association?
Yes, we are also aggressively growing the sport. Right now po, ang naka-schedule, so I've been part of the community, maybe you've heard of them, One Fest Ed, which is a professional growth organization. So they tap into PE teachers. So we have been part of yung previous 2 years nila na national conference to teach touch rugby to PE teachers. And right now po, we haven't been that aggressive, pero may naka-schedule na po. In June, we are actually going to Bicol para ituro yung touch rugby to Bicol for PE teachers in the Bicol region. So yun po yung plano at yun po yung goal talaga na maisama siya sa palarong pambansa sa Batang Pinoy Philippine National Games. And we understand that the best way to do it is to approach schools. Kasi nandun yung grassroots program. Also for schools na meron din silang additional offerings aside from the usual sport that we already have. Having this new sport gives new opportunity to new players. So yeah.
Yes, okay, so we are here at the PSA Forum sa Hamilton Hall, the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex, and we're having Touch Football Pilipinas or Touch Association Pilipinas, TAP, na be going to the Touch World Cup 2024. So ito po yung Philippine Sports Writers Association, our weekly session presented by San Miguel Corporation, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, Milo, Smart, PLDT, and Arena Plus, the 24/7 sports app in the country. And we would like to acknowledge our good friends from Arena Plus, sina Ma'am Melissa, Sue, and Katrina Dilongo. Hello, welcome to the PSA Forum. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's talk to the players. Yung parang small boy, na ang laki ng boses. Okay, I think he is